Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a lead code, which is lead code 860 laminate change. You have in this question you just have to check whether you will provide the customer correct change or not. Okay, if you provide the customer the correct change, then you just have to return the true, otherwise you have to return the false. Okay, so the lemonade is of rupees. You can buy either through 5, 10, or $20 bill. Okay, so you just have to provide the correct change to to each customer. Okay, so in this question first you have to create you have to find size of int bills. Okay, int n equals to bills dot size. Okay, and after that you just have to int count the value of 5 comma 10 equals to 0. Okay, so let's traverse through the bills vector for int I equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. You just have to, if bills of I is equals to 5, then you just have to do one thing, that 5 plus plus. Otherwise, if it is not 5 or it may be 10, then you just have to if it is a 10, then you first have to check whether you are containing the 5 coin or not. So if 5 is greater than 0, then you just have to do 5 minus minus and then 10 plus plus. Okay, because 5 you will return to the customer and the 10 coin will put by your own. Okay, else you have to return the false. If if you get a 20 rupees coin in else condition, you just have to write if you get a 20 rupees coin, then you have to check whether there is a 10 coin or 5 coin or not. So you just check the condition, and if there isn't 5 or 10 coin, then you just have to do minus minus and 10 minus minus. Else if it is not containing. Okay, else if the 10 coin is not, or the 5 coin may be greater than or equals to 3, then you just have to do one thing, minus the 5 minus equals to 3. Okay, else you have to return the false. After this code, you just have to return the true. Let's run this code, whether this code run properly or not. There is an error of colon in line number 9. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, this ran fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, thanks for watching.